Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today I am going to be trying the new Makeup by Lisa, the Secret Garden eyeshadow palette. Look at that packaging. How gorgeous is that? And it's got a nice mirror there. And let me just stop trying to blind you. And this is what she looks like on the inside. It's a mixture of mattes, shimmers and glitters. There are 3 pressed glitters in here. So if you're wanting to try Makeup by Lisa but you're not wanting glitters in the palette, the Macaron palette doesn't contain any glitters. But yeah, obviously this one does. I love it. I think the colour story is beautiful. It's a very Steph colour story. I love it. Absolutely love it. So if you would like to see how I created this look and hear my first impressions of the Secret Garden eyeshadow palette, then just keep on watching. Everything I have on my face already will be listed in the description box below for you to check out if you wish to. So the first shade I'm going to be going in with is Grindylow. And Grindylow is going to go in the inner part of my crease. I'm really building it up because it's a real pastel mint. So these £9 palettes from Makeup by Lisa are absolutely amazing. The formula in them is just beautiful. So easy to work with. This green is building up beautifully. And then next I'm going in with Unicorn. Beautiful kind of pinky purple. And that is going to be going on the outer part of my crease. This formula is beautiful. I'm just kind of tapping over the line a little bit just to mesh them slightly. That's, I think, as good as we're gonna get. I just soften the edges. I've been so excited to use this palette. It is just beautiful, and obviously purple, pink, green. It's definitely a really more of a pink than a purple, which is absolutely fine by me. Look at that. These colours look beautiful together. This is just a beautiful, beautiful colour story. So next I am dipping into Witchcraft, the black, and that I'm just going to use right in the outer V here. Just want to give it some depth. And then just back in with a bit of Unicorn, just tapping it kind of over the join there, just to bring the colour back. So I'm just going to take a bit of Witchcraft just to connect the, I can't speak, just to make sure that it's connected up to the upper lid. So just a bit of the black, and then just going to go into Unicorn just to blend that a bit. These shades just blend so easily. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. So I think for my lid, I'm going to be going in with Tinkerbell. I'm just going to spray it. This is one of those colours that would look amazing over a black base. I do have the P. Louise black base. I might have to give that a go. This is looking so pretty. That is looking pretty. Right, so I'm dying to try the glitters. So I'm going to go in with Red Cap. And I'm going to just place Red Cap over. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. For those of you out there that like glitters, these are really nice. Really, really nice. And I have to try it. I'm going to take Leprechaun and I'm just going to dab it in the outer part here. Kind of where the black was. Oh, look at that. I am not mad at that at all. I'm really liking that. So I'm going to dip into Hobgoblin for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. So I'm just spraying the brush. And then a bit on the brow bone there. Perfect. Right, I'm desperate to try this green, so I'm going to just dip into Sprite, the green glitter. I'm just going to try and sparingly, like not too much. Oh, that's better. And just going to put a bit of the pink shimmer up into it. Shimmer. And just a bit of Red Cap, the pink glitter. Right, I've changed my mind for the inner corner. I'm just going to put Tinkerbell on the inner corner there. So just a quick spray. Oh, that's beautiful. I am loving how that's looking, so I'm going to nip off and finish my face and then come back to show you the finished look, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. What do you think? I'm loving it. I love me some glitter, so yeah. So I'll just let you know what else I've popped on my face. So the black eyeliner is just an e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm not quite sure what this one's called. Just an e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner. In my waterline I have the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Extra Frosting. Mascara is the Madaj Beauty Madaj Lash Mascara. Love that. The lashes I have on are from Bunny Beauty and they are in the style Miami. The blusher I have on is from Poutnshout. It is Pink Me Up. Beautiful pink. The highlighter is the Kaleidos Space Age highlighter in the shade Solar Sailor. And I don't know why I'm actually opening this to show you because they all just look kind of white. It's very yellow and I love it. And finally, the lipstick I have on is the Lime Crime Matte Velveteens in the shade Cashmere. So, first impressions of the Secret Garden eyeshadow palette. Firstly, this packaging. I love this. I love it. It's so beautiful. The detail in it as well. You've got obviously the moon, you've got the little lanterns. Don't know if that's focusing. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for packaging. And these are the shades. So I used all three of the mattes and they all performed beautifully well. The mint green, Grindilo, builds up beautifully, just looks gorgeous. The eye look, I could have left it as it was, but I was desperate to try the glitters out, so we went for it. The shimmers I used were Tinkerbell and Hobgoblin. I went over Hobgoblin with Tinkerbell on the inner corner, but both performed beautifully. They are your basic shimmer formula, but it's a really nice formula. And I used Red Cap, the pink glitter, and Leprechaun, the well, it's got all different colours in it. Kind of shifts like green, red, orange. Beautiful. And I also used Sprite. I nearly forgot then. I went over the green parts with Sprite, the green glitter. The glitters are wonderful. You don't need a glitter adhesive. It's kind of built into the formula. I just really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. So yeah, there was just the one shade, Imp, that I didn't try. So I think we did pretty well. Pretty well. So yeah, my first impressions are, I love it. I love it. I have been loving these 9-pan palettes from Makeup by Lisa. I have a video up with 2 looks and 2 palettes, and then which palettes were they? That was the You're Out of This World palette and the Seashell palette, and then I have a first impressions video using the Macaron palette. And so yeah, this is palette number 4 and beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend these 9-pan palettes. They are so, the formula's beautiful. Oh, I love them. I love them. And I do have 2 more to trial out. I will most likely pop them in the same video. They're both neutral palettes and one is all shimmer. So I will incorporate both palettes into one look. And so yeah, that will be coming at some point soon. I have so much to get through. It's unreal. I will pop Makeup by Lisa's website in the description box below. I also do have a discount code which will save you some money. It is not affiliated at all. It's just for you guys. You will find that listed in the description box below also. The discount codes I have are always right at the bottom of the description box. So yes, that is it from me. If you've liked this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you are new around here, then I hope you'll consider sticking around. I do a lot of colourful looks and I am a huge supporter of indie brands, so that is mostly what you will find on my channel. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.